Welcome to the first Old Dominion Umpire Association Umpire Development Program training video. In each of these videos, we will cover some aspects of mechanics. Mechanics are a set of guidelines used to cover responsibilities on the field by the umpires assigned to the game. As a starting point to understanding mechanics, we need to understand the responsibilities. An umpire's responsibilities on the baseball field are, in order, ball strike, fair foul, catch no catch, safe out, touch, retouch, obstruction interference, etc. There's a whole bunch of other things that come after that. All mechanics are set up with an eye toward the responsibilities in order. So the basic mechanic for all of umpiring is to umpire the responsibilities in order. Never elevate a lower up responsibility to a higher responsibility. Never take responsibility for safe out before catch no catch. With that in mind, today we'll start with the basic starting positions. So let's talk about the basic starting position in two umpire mechanics. In two umpire mechanics, we have obviously two umpires, a base umpire and a plate umpire. The starting position for the plate umpire is basically behind the plate for all plays. The starting position for the base umpire depends on the combination of runners. The position of the base umpire depends on the number of runners and the starting positions of those runners. There are three basic starting positions for the base umpire. We will call them A position, B position, and C position. A position is basically on the foul line behind the first baseman. B position is in the middle of the infield, halfway between the mound and second base, but on the first base side of the infield. And C position is in the infield, halfway between the mound and second base, but on the third base side of the infield. We'll put up a picture and talk about the specific spots those are next. The first position is called A position. It's shown in the pictogram here. That position has the umpire square to the home plate with his right foot up against the foul line, approximately 10 feet behind the first baseman. If the first baseman moves back, the umpire would move back. If the first baseman moves forward, he would move forward, maintaining roughly 10 feet, but never getting any closer than 12 feet from first base. The next position is B position. The base umpire will be in B position when there's a runner on first only, or when there's runners on first and third. In B position, the umpire will be on a hands-on knee set facing the plate, and you can see his position from the pictogram above, that he's going to be on a tangent line from the plate running through the edge of the mound, and he's going to be about halfway between the pitcher's mound, the pitcher's rubber, and second base. The base umpire will be in C position in all other runner combinations beside runners on first and runners on first and third. So the base umpire will be in C position for runners on first and second, runners on first, second, and third, runners on second only, runners on third only, and runners on second and third. The position is similar to B position. The umpire will be halfway between the pitching rubber and second base on a tangent line that runs through the plate, through the edge of the dirt circle of the mound. In this video, we've covered the starting position of the umpires in a two umpire mechanic system. The base umpire will start in A position, B position, or C position, depending on runner combinations, and the plate umpire will always start behind the plate. In future videos, we will talk about the responsibilities of those umpires and the movements required to accept those responsibilities. Thanks for listening. See you in the next video.